What's up, y'all? I got an unboxing for you guys today. Now, it's still summertime, so this is the perfect fragrance for a summertime vibe. This comes from the house of Kajal, and if y'all know, Kajal is just a powerhouse, okay? They drop a lot of hits, one of them being one of my personal favorites is that Icon or Ican. So I have high hopes for this fragrance. Fresh out of the mailbox, we got this in today. This was just released July 23rd of this year, so it's not that old. It's maybe just a little over a month old, but your boy got it. So if y'all want to know my thoughts on this Kajal Kolada, take a look at that box. You know what to do. Stick around right after the intro.
Cedar musk, a deadly blend, the smell of terror, it will not end. Subscribe and tell your friends. Despair's bouquet, grim cheese scents to save the day. When grim cheese stalks you through the day, more fragrance content coming your way. Grim G.
What's up, friends and family? It's your boy Grim G, back with another fragrance video for y'all. As always, I want to start off by saying thank you to each and every one of my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys. You all rock. I would not still be here if it wasn't for you guys continuing to support my little channel. Now, if you're new here and you're into fragrance-related content, do me a favor. Think about dropping a like and subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out, helps me grow. It's free and easy. It takes about 2 seconds. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe. If you're not into fragrance-related content, then what are you doing here? Take a hike. All right, with that being said, I hope you're all doing well. Let's get into it. So thank you guys for tapping in for another one. Today we got my first impressions unboxing of Kajal Kolada. Man, I'm going to tell you, this is going to look good sitting next to that bottle of Ican up there. Definitely think this is going to be a banger. I'm sure you guys know, man, this is going to be pina colada vibes, coconut and pineapple. Now, I love the pineapple in the Ican. I'm hoping the pineapple is similar in this, but we should get a tropical fruity drink vibe. So I don't know why I got this knife out to open this, but that's the knife we got out here. So obviously, I can't tell you guys about longevity with this. This is an extrait de parfum. All right, so I'd imagine this is going to last for a while. Projection might be an issue, though, because the heavier oil concentration, you know, it is what it is. What do you expect? So I love these bottles. They do look classy, much too classy for someone who looks like me. But that's all right. So look how that sits in there. I like the top of the lid. The color scheme, I definitely am already getting pina colada vibes. So they give you a puzzle to put back together if you try to keep your boxes intact. I typically don't because I don't care about that, but all right, so you got this nice little design all over. So presentation with Kajal, always nice. Not that I'm bummed or anything, but when I got Ican, it came with 2 samples that came in they came sitting down in like a wooded thing. Can't smell anything yet, so hopefully that means it's not been sprayed, but it was in a sealed box. So that's a nice heavy cap. All right. First impression time. Let's see what we think. Atomizer is okay. Boy. In the air, I get that pineapple and coconut. Very heavy in the air. Seems like there's definitely some florals. I have not looked up the notes because I wasn't really planning on this. I was going to go to the gym. I looked at the weather on my phone. I was thinking, okay, what's going to be the scent of the day? I looked at the weather on my phone, had a notification, package has been delivered. I said, oh shit, that's the scent of the day. I already know. So I went out and got it. Didn't even look up the notes. Y'all, this is a vibe. I definitely am envisioning some sliced up coconut. Pineapple off the test strip is just kind of a little faint in the background, but in the air, boy, that thing in the air, definitely pina colada in the air. Like I don't drink pina coladas because, I mean, look at me. Do I look like a frou-frou drink kind of a dude? But when I sprayed this in the air, I've had pina colada. When I sprayed it, I could taste the pina colada. Like that scent memory tied with this, very good. So we're going to go one spray on skin here. That atomizer just needed to get the air out, I guess. So I'll waste the spray for you guys. Atomizer's decent. At first, I was kind of disappointed with the atomizer. When I first sprayed that, I was like, damn, that's like not doing much. Sweet, thick coconut. And that pineapple is very good. One more, because now, this is not going to be for everybody. If you don't like fruity fragrances, you're probably not even watching this video. If you're watching this video, though, holy shit. This one is a banger. Longevity, I don't know. I'll get back to you guys on this. I'm going to have to drop a video about my favorite, since we're still in the summertime, I'll drop a video about my favorite coconut fragrances. I can tell you right now, this has already made the list. There's some kind of florals in here. Definitely some florals. I don't know what kind of florals, because y'all know I don't have that kind of a nose. It's not developed like that. I can only tell you guys, do I think it's a cop or a flop? Would I get it? Should you get it? Oh, they've got a design on the bottom. I just noticed that. All right, so presentation, A+. Very good stuff. I'm glad this is in the collection. This is going to be my scent of the day. I will drop a scent of the day video after I finish this video. I do want to say I do have affiliate links. I'm going to start posting them in every video. I bought this, and then a company reached out to me, Mystic Perfumes. They reached out to me to offer me an affiliate link. And I thought, well, I got to look into the company to see what I think. I put one of my subscribers onto this, Gabriel. I put him onto this. He ordered, and he got his fragrance in like 2 days or less. And he got it for cheaper than what I got it for. Did y'all hear that? So, I'm going to link them, and I'm going to link all my other affiliate links. I got 6 affiliate links. Yes, I make a small commission. I'm not trying to rip you guys off. I'm not, that's not my thing. I'm trying to, of course, make some money for me. But these places that I've listed are definitely some of the best places that you can go to get fragrances. I have been hyping them for a while, with the exception of Mystic Perfumes. I only had one other experience with them, and that was when I ordered this Kajal Ruby. which also smells very good, but a little too feminine for me. I don't know if I'll get a bottle or not. I probably will, because I believe it's this bottle and it's red. It's like a nice crimson. But they ship fast. I checked their prices. They got very good prices. If you guys want to check them out, cool. If not, hey, no worries. Shop where you're comfortable. Definitely. I'm not a salesman. 3 of the 6 that I have, though, they do offer you 10% discount on what you're getting. So why not check them out? That's all the time I have for you guys today. Would I recommend getting this? So far on first impressions, I'm gonna say hell yeah. Very good stuff. I'm gonna give it some wearings. Like I said, be my scent of the day. I'm gonna work out while wearing this. I'm gonna see how I feel with working out with it. It does seem a little thick, but it's an extrait to be expected. So I'll do some wearings and I'll give you guys an actual full review on this once I get some wearings in. But I was excited to drop this for you. Definitely think you need to check it out if you can find any place with a sample. I've not checked to see if any of my links have samples of this, but if they got a sample, I would definitely say sample this. If you like pineapple and coconut, this is going to be right up your alley. If you're into tropical fragrances, this is definitely a tropical fruity drink. Sitting poolside, sitting on the beach, watching the waves crash, checking out chicks walking by in their bikinis. This is a vibe. That's all the time I have for you. If you continue to like, comment, and subscribe, I will continue to put y'all up on game. Make sure you are always the best smelling person in the room, and y'all have a good one.